Easy chickpeas curry with grinded coconut mix. You can serve it along with puttu or rice for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of chickpeas. We have washed and soaked chickpeas for 8 hours. Add 1 sliced onion, 1 chopped potato, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 cups of water and mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on high flame and then 4 whistles on medium flame. After 6 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, in a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut. Add 4 to 5 shallots, 1 sprig of curry leaves, add some water and grind it into a paste form. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Chickpeas have cooked well. Now add the grinded paste to it. Also half teaspoon salt. Wash the grinder jar with half cup of water and add to it. Mix it well. Cook until it starts boiling on low flame. When it starts boiling, switch off the flame. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 5 to 6 chopped shallots, some curry leaves, 2 dry red chilies cut into halves. Serve it on medium flame until it turns to light golden color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and wait at least 10 minutes before stirring. After 10 minutes, we can stir it well. Easy chickpeas curry with coconut mix is ready. If you are making in this quantity, you can serve it for 6 portions. You can serve it along with puttu or rice for best taste. You can also have it along with porotto or chappathi.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.